Thanks, Jimmy. And I wanted to say hi and thank you from St. Paul, Minnesota. And as you could tell, I'm a big fan of Prince, and hence the question earlier. So before I jump in, I want to reveal the results. And with an overwhelming majority, 30% of you all said that, over 30% of you all said that When Doves Cry is the greatest Prince song, and it's probably because he shreds so heavily on that guitar solo in the midst of the song. So thank you for participating. We're trying to keep it fun. And I also wanted to first pause for a moment to thank you for your service. I know that this is a very busy time for all of us to prepare for our summer meal programs, and taking the time out today to learn a little bit more about how we can complement our programs is really important. So thank you for taking the time today. So I just want to tell a little bit about Feed the Children. As you can see, we have an overview of our summer feeding programs for 2015. And we have been able to participate in over 58 sites and give and feed over 300,000 meals to kids in need. And one of the things that's interesting about our programs is we always try to supplement our programs with donated items, whether it's food donations or other supplemental items that help kind of lift kids out of their summer doldrums when they're away from their school. So we enhance the programs with backpacks, school supplies, children's books, community garden essentials, seeds, and exercise and nutrition programs. And so with that, we're always trying to look at how can we innovate our summer programs. And I know that you all are doing the same things, and I'd love to share your stories at the end and your best practices. But what we do with our social innovation and how to leverage some of our donations is to really kind of figure out a way to solve the problem of poverty. And Feed the Children, we're based out of Oklahoma City. We operate in all 50 states. However, we have a heart for rural America. And one of the things that we found is that basically there is, I just saw the question about the data with Minnesota with the Prince. That's very funny. Sorry, it was a little bit of a distraction, but I thought it was comical. But anywho, what we do is we utilize the U.S. Postal Service to help deliver meals to some of the most remote areas of our country. And we also, as I said earlier, complement our meals with books and school supplies and educational programs. So what happened over the last year is we found that there was a great, tremendous resource in technology platforms to help us supplement our food programs with healthy, nutritious food that would otherwise go to waste. And this nutritious food is coming from grocery stores, restaurants, cafes, farmers markets, you name it. And we found that the MEANS database was a tremendous tool to help us do that. And so that's where we partnered together with the MEANS database and Maria Rose to see if we can leverage this technology platform, not only to give our kids some healthy, nutritious food, but also to help prevent food waste.